It seems to me there's only one sort of conversational tack that American men like to use, which is just to recite all of the information they've retained in their life to the point at which they're talking to you. Like they're the only person carrying this information, and if they don't repeat it ad nauseum at every opportunity, they might forget. They'll just go. For an hour. They'll go, it would never occur to them to ask a question. I can also be interesting given half an opportunity. Let us go. For an hour, at the end of it, they go, yeah, so, wow, that's all the kinds of wood. No one asked.